Marauders, welcome back to the channel. I have this 5-foot tree trunk that's probably at this point about 25 feet long and weighs, it's got to weigh more than my excavator can pick up. It can pick up about 4,000 pounds. Tree trunk probably weighs, I don't know, 10,000 pounds, let's say. I have it cantilevered off one of the limbs off this tree that's about 16 inches in diameter, so that it's what the pieces I'm cutting are hanging over the cantilever, so they'll drop away and not bind the bar on the chainsaw. So what I'm doing now is positioning the trunk over that section of limb or log to balance it and cantilever it over that log so that I can cut it up, and it seems to work out very well. I'm showing this video in real time of me actually cutting up the tree, this log, sections of it, with my Husqvarne 390 XP chainsaw with a 3-foot bar. Please comment on my technique if you think I'm doing it appropriately, or anything you can say to help me. I would appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider liking the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Share it with a friend. Thank you guys. So I think the Husqvarne 390 XP chainsaw has more than enough power to handle a 3-foot bar. My chain is sharp. You can look at the wood chips, they're awesome size. Look, they're all over my hip on my pants. I think the problem is I'm wondering if willow trees, again, remember this was alive, if they have so much moisture in the center of the tree that the saw was having a hard time clearing the chips away from the center of this 5-foot truck. Please comment and give me your opinion if you think I'm handling the saw right, or the problem is the bar is too long for the saw. Please let me know. I appreciate your comments. You guys do a great job. When I put just 2 feet of the bar in, it seems to really clear the chips out from the center of the log and then really starts cutting. Marauders, thank you for spending your valuable time watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. One thing I'll tell you is I'm standing funny when I'm using the chainsaw on this tree. Remember, I hit my left knee is in a tremendous amount of pain, and I don't move very fast, so I'm trying to keep my legs away from the tree trunk in case it rolls towards me, because I just can't move very quickly. Thank you for watching the video. I hope to see you on the trail. God bless.